obsidian caves of the Shadowfell Mountains, where the air was thick with the scent of damp stone and the whispers of slithering bodies, rolled Nagini, the Snake Queen. Born of the same father, but blessed by sky instead of earth, Aira was a creature of flame and wind, dwelling among volcanic peaks far beyond the realm of snakes. One evening, as Nagini sat upon her obsidian throne, the messenger wiper slithered to her feet and hissed,
"Your sister requested an audience, my queen. She approached the cave."
She dares? After all those years? Sister? You haven't called me that in centuries. Why now? The balance of the world trembles. And the shadows of the gap are staring once more. The dragons and snakes needs to unite again, you know? And what if I refuse? What if I say that snakes and dragons were always enemies? And so it should remain. Then the darkness will come. Your children perish with despair with nowhere to hide. I did not came to beg you, Nagini. I came to warn you. And you think I trust you? How do I know that you are not here with bigger motives? That you don't want my snakes to be under your control? I only see your wisdom and your strength. Our blood was never supposed to be divided by war. We are the daughters of the same fate, Nagini. Alone, we can hold to the darkness, but together, we can banish it forever. Then let us see if the Mother of Dragon still remember how to dance with snakes. I never forget.
And as the first ray of dawn touched the cliffs, Aira and Nagini emerged from the caves side by side. Dragons stood the skies, snakes slithered between the stones, and the two sisters gazed upon a world that stood at the brink of its final battle against the darkness. They were no longer just rulers of their realms. They were the last hope of all existence.